The metadata library will help track and log changes that occur within the base schema. It can be installed using the script block extension in any Airtable base. Simply paste the provided code into the script extension and press the Run button. The script will then create schema records for the base data. This currently includes metadata for the base itself, tables and fields, monitoring for newly added, as well as recently removed metadata objects, which translates to no more recreating a snapshot to verify a table or field used to exist. Activity is recorded within the log field of each record, simplifying schema alignment to provide a smooth on-ramp to rapid process evolution, accelerated scalability, and AI integration. For enterprise-scale solutions, sync the MDL from all teamwork bases into a single base for a global insight to schema alignment. Pick up this not-so-simple scripted phenomenon today. Your development teams and stakeholders will thank you with increased confidence while you provide clear, consistent vision and effective results.
This example was installed in an actual Airtable base utilized as a multi-artist portfolio. Thank you for your time.